in a few hours from now, it's Christmas Eve, and I'm pretty much so excited because I have a lot of things to cook for Noche Buena, or what we call the Christmas Eve dinner or supper, whatever you call it. That's okay. Alright, so I'm here at the grocery store. I forgot to buy some ingredients earlier, so I'm kind of like on a Christmas rush. And right now, I'm looking for some ingredients like this bacon. Okay, I need some white meat, and it's kind of like stinks. Nah, I'll go for this one because I think this is much safer. It's wrapped, and I'm so afraid to have salmonella. Gross. Okay. Oh my god, it's getting late and I need to go home. Well, to be honest, I'm alone in my apartment, so literally I'll be just preparing all the dishes for myself. But it has been a tradition. I can't pass on Christmas. It's my favorite time of the year. My parents were 6 hours ahead from my time zone, so we're gonna have a virtual catch up later anyway, when it's already Christmas there. That was a mess. Prepare your notes because we're going to make a Filipino style tiramisu, and I'm sure we're gonna love it. I need this. Some cream and some magic. Alright, now I'm ready. Okay, so we need to open 1 can of condensed milk, and we need to open some chilled all purpose cream. Is it chilled? You'll know when it's ready when it's firm like this. So just add this in the bowl, and then we will add our condensed milk. After this, we'll do some whisking. So now's the time to turn on our mixer. I have a hand mixer in here, and we'll mix it for like, I don't know, until it gets its form. You just need to keep on whisking it. It's getting a little bit fluffy, so that's the texture that we wanted. Okay. Oh no, such a mess. 2 pans in here. 2 aluminum pans. It's economical, it's cheap, and it's easy to use. It looks great. Okay, so the other one I'm going to use to pour on the cold coffee. And then the other one, I'll just use this to put the grams and all this stuff. And then I'll be opening the graham crackers. Alright, so we need to dip the graham. Don't steep it, just dip it lightly. On the other pan, let's just keep on doing this. Hey, bye. Alright, so as you can see, it actually has a similarity to the original Italian tiramisu, but the only difference is the Italian tiramisu uses lady fingers, or we call it broas. You can actually use broas, but I really wanted the texture of the graham compared to the lady finger because I think the lady finger has a tendency to be so mushy and soft. Okay, now we're putting on the cream mixture. And I like it so much because it's very white and pristine. It's very Christmassy. Like, I'm gonna make a snowflakes out of it. Or probably a snow angel. I'm just kidding. It's a food anyway. And I wanted to add this, my favorite, Cheerios for life. Some cocoa powder. Alright, so I love Cheerios so much. It's like my favorite cereal ever. Now I'm putting on some cereals, and I chose the one that has a heart shape and some circles. But you can use whatever shape you want. It's just that Christmas is full of love, so I want the hearts. And oh my god, I think this is enough. Let's see. Yeah, there. So what are we going to do with this? We will chill it in the fridge, put it in the freezer, and leave it overnight. Oh my god, help me. That's not Megan. It's me. So brutal. He loves it. Now's the time to make my next favorite. It's Filipino fruit salad. Classic. Fruit salad. Let me just go ahead and drain this. Just squeeze out all the water that we can remove from the fruits. And let's mix it with the leftover cream mixture. Oh, I think this is enough. We just need just enough cream to cover all the fruits. Okay, so it works. I need to drain this, seriously. Let's add this and the mixture. No. Just mix it. I have here a buko pandan essence. Just add some. See you next time.